What's going on, guys? So today we got a 1990 F250 3/4 ton, doing some body work, obviously getting it stripped down. What the plan for this one is we are going to do a Rhino liner, Raptor liner. So did some Bondo. I picked this truck up pretty cheap. It's got like 79,000 miles on the odometer, so probably 179. Straight. It didn't need a fender. But the paint was ugly. I mean, no dings, no dents, had a few little here and there, just little, little dents, but nothing crazy. So picked this up for $2,000, and yeah, I just figured cheapest, it's gonna be a work truck first off, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but figured the easiest and cheapest way was go ahead and just Raptor line it. So that's what we'll be doing today. Get her cleaned up, washed, then Raptor lined. All right, guys, so pretty much here is the finished product. Been driving around about seven days. Say 1990 Ford F250. I used 7 bottles of it. Texture's great. I sprayed it a little bit high, 80 PSI. It's not like sandpaper. It looks splashy, but actually it's really not. I don't know why it shows up like that on the phone. Did it all by myself, super easy to mix. I actually matched the bumper. I'm gonna do the bed black. I've got four bottles for that. So like I said, this took 7 liters, 7 bottles. I bought a pack of the 2 gallons, or 4 and 4, so 8 quarts. I like it. I think for it being a work truck around the yard, I think it's gonna be great.